Well, a humid start to our day, that's for sure.
Yeah, and temperatures are holding in the 70s right now, knocking on 80 degrees. We will heat up this afternoon, but rain chances are going to increase as well. Expecting scattered showers and storms to be around, so it's not a complete washout of a day. I'm actually shifting the timeline a little back. I think for the most part, a lot of us can get some outdoor plans in for today, even as we head through the early afternoon now at this point. It's looking a little bit later. So 75 currently, Oak Ridge, Knoxville, 78 in Tellico Plains. It is going to be a humid afternoon. So right now on the comfort cast, notice the sticky to tropical feel that's in place. This is going to result in feels like temperatures getting well up into the 90s this afternoon. I am watching this cluster of storms that is approaching the area, so we could have some light rainfall on the western side of Cumberland County very shortly. You can see a stronger line on the southern end of this system that is heading a little bit closer towards Chattanooga, but we'll watch it closely as it approaches, if it can hold together, the far southern valley. But I am expecting more showers and storms to develop as we go into the afternoon and especially this evening. So coverage-wise, it will increase scattered showers and storms with an isolated chance for a few strong to severe ones. Severe risk, level 1 out of 5 for most of the area, with a 2 out of 5 clipping some of the plateau in southeast Kentucky. Damaging winds is the main concern, but heavy rain could lead to some localized flooding and some frequent lightning, and even some small hail can't be completely ruled out. So we'll watch that cluster approach the area, but then notice as we head through the afternoon, it may be a little bit drier. Still some sun and some clouds, and we want more clouds to help limit the energy for the storms to tap into. But now as we head more to the evening, we'll start to see more scattered activity develop and see a line start to drift in as we head into the night tonight down from Kentucky. The better ingredients for severe weather are across central Kentucky today, but we may see a few try to drift into our area. So we'll be watching the radar closely from this afternoon as we head into the night, and even tomorrow morning. We'll still have some storms around, but at that point, our severe risk is long over it, and it will be a little bit quieter going into the morning tomorrow. Flood risk today, level 1 out of 4. Isolated flooding, certainly possible if you see repeated rounds of downpours. Highs today into the upper 80s to low 90s, which is a bit above average for this time of year. Now tomorrow, it's a little bit cooler. Highs only get into the 80s, upper 70s, northern plateau into southeast Kentucky, and we will still have a few storms around. So in the morning, you may wake up to some rain, but coverage may start to increase as we head through the afternoon. The cooler, less humid air is going to settle in, squeezing out any moisture that's left over. So notice that's going to result in some spotty showers. An isolated rumble of thunder is possible, but not expecting severe weather tomorrow. Going into Sunday evening, still having some rain around. Rain coverage looks best for the plateau and the Smokies, the higher elevations. And then we're a little bit quieter going into Monday with just a slim chance for a stray shower. And it turns a lot more comfortable, and temperatures are going to be well below average for several days. This is another preview to fall. So low 80s Monday and Tuesday. And then notice overnight lows on Tuesday morning in the low 60s. And by the time we get to Wednesday morning, even the valley could be down into the upper 50s.
All right, man.